That's the Andrew, like,
That's him saying, yeah, you're
you're right, I'm an idiot. There it is, he's had 6 donuts already.
Yeah, I have.
So Wyatt, what's the mission?
Get this down there.
Wyatt is a YouTube super fan.
Woo!
He won the sweepstakes.
I entered the fan contest.
Get as much Andrew stuff as you can.
Oh yeah, that's the goal.
Alright, we're gonna hold it by these hemorrhoid looking welds right here. That's where we're gonna grip it and rip it. Oh yeah. Corey's drinking too much Coke. Gotta pee.
No, that was the coffee. Coke's coming later.
What are you doing? You trying to push it?
Yeah. Corey has a Coke problem.
We need the push stick.
You mean John?
Yeah. I think those holes are for.
Oh, you know what those holes are for?
Probably something that he has f***ing sitting right over there.
What are they for?
Building will provide.
Yes.
Oh.
Hey, it's all up.
Look at the shortest guy.
What the here?
Who the hell designed this?
Give it again.
Yeah!
Alright, push.
This cart's also broken.
Like everything else.
Start the turn.
Turn, yeah.
You're loving every second of this, aren't you, White?
Indeed.
Alright. Where are we going?
Down the stairs. Wait, hey, whatever. It's under like 2 inches. Alright, stop. Okay. This thing gonna clear this. Where's John with a hammer when you need him? Give it a tug. I better cover my nuts. Do it, man.
I've got the perfect thumbnail right here.
The building crumbles.
Yeah.
Everything falls apart.
There you go. Wyatt, you get to keep that.
Yeah, it's all part of the sweepstakes.
Yep.
Miles, have you seen this?
Yeah.
This heat duct right here?
Yeah.
This is severely stupid. I love it.
Yeah.
Is this still connected?
Blow it apart.
Love that sound.
Alright, we're
I'd rather not destroy myself.
no problem.
Alright.
Just a little dusty.
A little asbestos.
Alright. That never hurt anybody. Oh my god. What the Christ almighty. You can't even see. Alright.
Hi!
Hi, Miles.
Hello.
What is your path of least resistance here?
No problem. Okay. Alright.
Andrew has to do everything himself.
Oh god. Here, you can put the chain on if you want.
No.
Why put the chain on?
Oh yeah. Here comes the highest part of comedy of this video.
Alright, look at that, huh?
Yeah, why get your toes away?
Alright, so that's a break.
Okay,
You can't do anything but laugh.
let's think. Okay, let's.
Alright, we're stuck under the rail.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Come back up.
Oh, holy shit. Hold it. Oh, hold on. See our chain?
I know, it's also wrapping around.
Actually, that shelf, that should tilt.
You want to pick it up and then
You want to tilt.
Just put your stick under it and push up.
Yeah. It wasn't in frame.
That's alright.
That was pretty good.
That's actually pretty good.
That was pretty
That's
good.
exactly what we meant to do.
Okay.
Keep going, man.
Just like we drew it up, boys.
Alright.
Okay.
Dude, this is great. Are you serious? Go down these stairs.
Holy shit.
Oh, we got the duct.
Okay. Duck down there?
Oh, it's right here.
Quack. Single quack, yeah. So, doing a lot of work out there.
It's way easier than I thought it would be.
Where's that pry bar?
There we go.
Yeah, this is still.
Alright.
Yep.
Teamwork.
Do you want me to get the rest of it from down there?
See, I'm saying back down.
Go
Alright.
this way.
Yeah, go. Yeah, alright.
Dude, this is great. Shut up, Wyatt.
I think we let all the slack off our
You want to see what happened? It's gonna catch here though.
I think we should try it.
So we gotta pick it up the stairs.
There's a hole in the stairs there.
You good?
I got really lucky.
Alright. Nice and easy. See? Holy
Move, Andrew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
woohoo! Touchdown!
I think we can heave hope from here.
You think so?
We gotta get this corner out, but that's it.
Alright.
Before it kills it. So it can kill both of us at the same time, you know?
It's the best way to go out, really.
As friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it right up.
Oh, this is a piece of cake, man. Oh man, this is nothing.
Send her down.
Alright, this way. Hang on. I even managed to get that broom in.
Who the hell brought this broom down here?
Don't mess my drywall up.
Oh look,
Oh, my trench.
it's the portal to hell.
Yeah, that's the one you really don't want to fall through.
There's a door, it's holding the door open. Hey. Perfect. Alright, come on. Look, it even straightened the belt guard out.
Keep going.
There we go.
That was the easiest improvement.
That was probably one of the easier things we've moved.
We just controlled.
That's why.
We just controlled fall the walk-in belt sander down the stairs.
It's falling with style.
There were some uncontrolled parts of that.
No.
This went exactly according to plan.
Don't tell them.
Cut that out.
Want some?
Hey, wire right there.
Here, just stick this through. You can't try to help Andrew. You can't try to help him.
He's a licensed hydraulic engineer.
Yeah.
Shut up. Ian's a licensed The distance gotta go over there, doesn't it?
Why did we go that far?
I don't know. I was getting.
The highest part of the ceiling here is like right where Wyatt's standing. So
We could
it's,
drop it in the trench.
We're gonna clear out the drywall on the ceiling. It's gonna be like an Amish barn raising.
that was really easy. Why was it sitting up there for 5 months?
I don't know. Yeah, all we had to do was push it down the stairs after some donuts. That was it.
There's like one part of the floor here that it moves so much quicker than the rest.
That's the dirty part.
Oh god, Andrew, it's so dusty down here because you're throwing everything around.
Oh my god, it's flying. Well, alright, we gotta figure out where we're gonna cut the drywall away.
I'm told to use this thing on its side. I think the more I look at it,
No.
I don't think it's gonna fit Andrew.
Yeah, you
It's
will.
way cooler standing up. Just put
It would. Okay.
So I'm gonna start cutting here, maybe?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh.
That's the greatest blade I've ever seen.
Alright,
How about the furring strip? That was so easy.
this was a piece of cake. Look, now
Yeah.
you can
See, we've got all this fancy lighting now.
let me cut right through my plumbing real quick. What copper?
Copper, I barely know her.
I think those are just furring strips, so I don't feel that bad about cutting them.
Yeah.
7 dead after building collapse.
Don't lose this. Alright.
I don't think this thing's gonna fit.
We'll find out.
You want to talk about straight lines? You kind of veered off at the end of that cut.
Tag.
You did it for 2 seconds.
We need the whole English song going on in the back.
Just like HGTV.
We really just wanted more of an open concept
Yeah, we
in
wanted to
here.
open up the space a little bit.
Ready for my party studio.
I had to fire my general contractor.
Wyatt, get in there. We need to take turns. We gotta stay below the exposure limit. Keep going, keep going.
Just keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Just try.
Alright.
For someone to come through a
right, now behind you. Oh, keep going. Yay! All right, that is beautiful.
That's a fucking hole right there, boys. If it's this perfect, then I just don't know what to do. I'm counting on it, and the whole time I'm counting on it just not fitting.
Be all right.
1,000-pound machine down here and measure a f***ing thing.
It was.
I don't know if that's gonna
I
fit.
measured.
I don't believe you.
No, I did. Remember
We measured.
And I was like,
Is that
oh
on the
yeah.
video?
I
Colin,
measured.
flashback
No,
to that one right now.
we weren't rolling yet.
I measured.
Just think.
So I'm gonna need you to patch that all up so we can get a video of us measuring.
All right.
Oh, tag.
Yeah, it's like the Amish farm raising, dude.
I don't want to be this guy. Seem to be not quite in love
Oh yeah, dude, we're way off.
with everything we just did.
Why would you say
the
that?
sun's out. We need another hole.
Wait, what were you saying about dust earlier?
It's not dust, it's air seasoning. With this lighting and the dusting, this looks like some kind of art film.
Dude, there's no way this thing's standing up.
You don't know that. Guarantee this thing's not for
It's not standing.
No way.
Do we want to measure one more time now that the roof is open?
Yeah! But I really don't want to do that. No, I'm not doing that. Your shaper's literally sitting right there.
Oh, don't do that. This sucks.
And just 10 minutes ago, you're like, this is great, piece of cake!
Oh, it was super easy getting it down here, and now it's gonna live down here forever.
Yeah,
His pipe's here, the shaper starts here.
so what you're saying is we're cutting another hole.
I think the way to do it is to dig out the floor. 18. Dude, it's 91 inches. Who the f measured this?
What are you talking about? It's 7 feet 4
We
inches.
flash back to when I said, did you measure this,
I don't
Miles?
think it's gonna fit. It's really close. What's the bottom of this room?
I can see some light.
87. If the motor's under 87, it'll fit. But I'm worried about, it's like not even, holy fucking shit.
86.
It's like 86 and this 5/8. What we're gonna do is we're gonna disassemble it.
Okay.
Motor, wheels,
Okay.
stand it up, and then we'll have to reassemble it up in between them.
Measure from here to the wide part down.
Well, that part's easy.
That
Dude,
diagonal
pick the
is
angle.
what you need to
The
know.
angle, bottom corner. 93.
Too much.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the best thing to do is take this guarding off.
Yeah, let's do
take
it.
the
I
pillow
think we
box
just
off.
scrap this and get one that's 5
Take
inches
the motor
shorter,
off.
we'll be good.
That's a really good idea. But let me order one out of the
Cut it
catalog.
and
If you order it on Amazon, you get it by tomorrow.
See, that's not true. I ordered an oven from Amazon. It's been like 2 months
He
late.
probably gets his McMaster delivery more
Reliably,
regularly than...
Oh yeah. If I order McMaster, it comes the same day.
You gotta figure out how to stand it up because you're gonna take it apart then. You should just take it apart, carry it down here.
No.
Shut up!
No.
Okay. Let's try to stand it up.
It's not gonna fit.
I'll be on this side. Sure, let's do it.
Considering how it's gone so far, why not?
I think it'll fit.
Yeah, why not?
The diagonal
It's
is taller.
93. Which is less than 8 feet.
That's fine, but we still gotta disassemble it.
Okay, let's do it. There's a crescent wrench over here.
Alright, any chance you got some 7/16 ratcheting wrenches upstairs? If you didn't know any better, you'd think we were professional riggers, man. This is awesome.
Well, I don't think you can say that word.
Oh, shut up. These belts are a little...
That's the new diesel one.
What are you talking about? That's mint.
No, don't lowball me. I know what I got.
The color of this beam definitely clashes with the ambiance of the room. Miles is gonna have to paint it purple.
Yeah, I think Miles is going for the Planet Fitness color scheme here. Planet Fitness, the belt sander down here.
$10 a month.
We're going 1/8 of a turn at a time here, waiting on something better. Oh, there's no ratchets here. There are, but there's like, you'll never find them. I remember when he bought this building, he goes, "Oh my God, guys, I'm never gonna need to buy tools again." Fast forward 2 weeks, they're all gone. They're all here somewhere. It's just nobody knows where. But we got a lot of railroad spikes laying, in that.
Yeah.
Nice, just a little dusty in here. Look at it. They look like pig pens.
I brought
Lost in
every
the
wrench
glaze.
I could find.
All right, everybody grab a wrench. Is there a 7/16 somewhere? No.
You got a 7/8, it's close.
Yeah, it's only 2 times as much.
Let's got the 7.
Are you using channel locks to remove cap screws again?
No, we couldn't find them.
Yeah. Everything Kanstul, like, every machine had was fucking hacked together. And I'm saying that, like...
Yeah, it's coming from you.
As someone who has had Andrew built-in machines.
Oh, Ian. Alright, we gotta get this part off.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
What do you think I'm doing down here? God, this sucks.
This is the thing Andrew does. I'm like, "Hey Andrew, I think we're gonna move the belt sander tomorrow." And he's like, oh. But while we're doing it, he's like, the happiest he's aggravated this entire
Fine.
The only time I've seen him happier is like free Papa John's pizza.
Oh, dude.
The face. Yeah, you want to see this man move quickly.
Hi!
But hey, you got some dust on the cameras here, Holly?
Oh yeah. Yes. It's a really nice up close shot of your mustache.
That's a true
going.
American air compressor right there.
Thumbnail!
Still need 7/16.
Well, I mean, I'll take it.
Holy shit!
Dude, see?
Where the f did you find this?
That's a nice wrench. It's a
Many draws by the styrofoam door.
Okay.
by the styrofoam door, of course. That's right. Why didn't we think of that? That's where I keep my wrenches. Holy.
Is this Candyland?
Gordon, does Megan know what you're doing right now?
Not in any kind of detail.
I got it.
Yay! Alright, let's see what else we got up here. Gotta drill these rivets out or something. You're probably better off making a cut here.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut here. With the revolver, we'll have to drill a hole in the floor and
Drill a hole and weld it.
snake
through the
my
floor.
welder down.
Yeah. We'll cut here, here, and here, and then it should pop up. Okay, you see that? Cool now. That's why, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, I only spent $600 on this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what you have. Worst case scenario, we keep cutting.
Let's give her a go.
Alright, so basically the goal we're going to try to do is try to get this between the rafters, just to give us
And then
space,
scoot
and
it.
then we'll scoot it once it's standing up.
choice of rafters.
I think they're
It
girders.
was girders. Those are the girders. These are the joints. Okay, you know what?
Which slot do you guys want? Do we anyone have a coin?
I'm poor.
Heads! Heads!
We're on left. I got heads.
Yeah!
Down.
So what's going up here?
We're gonna try to get that corner up under. We need like a floor jack. Okay,
So
let's go get a bunch of wood blocks. Look at that. That's a big wood block. The dust is settling into my lungs.
Just about as far as I can put it. Three. In the middle.
Let's see if it goes far.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's teetering.
How much oomph you guys think you got?
Why
Because
don't I
if you
just
could
go for it?
if you could get that up high enough, like we could get 3 people here and just shove it up to get it on that list.
Scooting is going to be tough. We really do have to get something tall underneath it.
All right, grab her.
Nice and easy. You clear?
Yeah.
All right.
We're getting there, lads. There you go. That's it. All right.
We got to take some more drywall.
Yep.
Motor.
Motor's hitting the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that one more time. Go.
We're hitting this mound over here. Oh, we're so close. How are we going to get that motor out if we wedge it in?
Why do you think it's so far ahead?
Just chip the floor away here. It's got more room to go.
Right here. This is
Oh, look at that.
Actually, I think that'll clear.
Did you do it? Is it just sitting on drywall right now?
Yeah.
This might. What brand is that?
Oh, this is a bot.
Oh. Oh. Come on.
Oh, dude, it's going.
Oh, wait, we're on the block.
I didn't send it. I feel so bad for my grandchildren. I gotta get this thing out of here. Fucking asshole.
Oh. Oh. Yep.
Celebratory donuts.
This thing's never coming out of here.
We did it.
It's not by us.
Dude, that is so f***ing cool.
This is the easiest, most straightforward thing I've ever worked out in my life.
Dude, I did not think we would get it today. I didn't think we'd get it down the fucking stairs.
To be fair, we didn't send it down the stairs. It just
From 1 to when the Milwaukee got stolen. Where are you?
Oh, this is like a fucking 11. This is, dude. I seriously brought this thing down here not thinking that it would be able to stand up. I thought I was gonna use it on its
You
side.
mean you got your sucker friends to bring it down here?
Yes.
And then we're like, oh, let's see
Dude,
what happens.
it wanted to be here. Look at the clearance. I'm just gonna chicken wire all around here. No, seriously, I could just like put fucking plywood all around the top. Just like fuck it. Holy fucking shit.
That was probably one of the worst.
Oh my fucking god.
He is good moving machine with a Prius. We put that on the.
Yeah.
In
And if
canon,
you enter the Miles Home Alley experience sweepstakes, this could be you.
Hang out with him.
Like every single post.
Yeah.
Within 5 minutes of him posting it.
Yeah. Like, comment, and Wyatt. Wyatt, would you like to do the honor for $5,000 of demonstrating the walk-in belt sander?
Go ahead, walk in.
Okay, yeah, so you just gotta go ahead.
There you go.
You gotta give it a good straddle.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Try not to die.
And then,
You can sit
turn
in there.
on,
So if you
and,
ran the belt upside down, you could sit in it while it went around
Yeah.
you while you sand.
It's a massage
and
chair.
then, you just absolutely. That's how you get the person.
I'm really happy we didn't take the motor off.
I am too.
Because we would have never gotten it back in there.
All right, let's kill these donuts.
Thank you. Thank
You guys
you.
got more than you burned the
Thank
wood
you.
for.
That's A+ for me.
Hey, I'm just happy it went so quickly. How much did that donut cost you, Wyatt? $9.99.
Let's celebrate.
That was so much fun. Oh my Jesus Christ. I think I got that on camera.
He sweats donut boys.
Oh my god.